How to contact WorldRemit customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact WorldRemit customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact WorldRemit customer service, what you have to do is just simply open up your browser and go to WorldRemit customer service from the top. As and when you do that, you'll find your first number over here. You can instantly call this number. So you can tap on call this number. You can pause the video and call this number directly. And you can also use the code for the United Kingdom, and you can just hit the call button to call the customer support, or you can go to their contact us link and also find their number within their help center. So you can scroll down. If you do not trust that particular number, so you can scroll down and look for the contact button over here by tapping the phone option. And for various regions, there are various, you can see numbers that you can call from. So depending upon wherever you're from, just pause this video and you can call this given numbers. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.